We already know how to create a chatbot for WhatsApp to automatically reply to users' queries. In this video, we will learn how to use the user input flow and custom fields to collect user data on WhatsApp. We can add the user input flow in any bot. This is a simple chatbot that we have created before. Now, we will include a user input flow in this bot to collect user data. Let's edit this bot and include a user input flow. Let's drag the user input flow from the dock menu and drop it on the canvas. Connect it with the previous reply. Double-click on it. The configuration will appear. Select Add New Input Flow to create a new user input flow. If you already have a user input flow, you can also use it for this bot. For now, let's create a new input flow. Give a name to the input flow. Click on the OK button. As soon as we do that, a new question will be added to the user input flow. Double-click to configure the question. There are two types of questions. One is free keyboard input. In this case, the user has to provide the answer by typing on the keyboard. The other one is multiple choice, where the user will receive options to answer the question. Let's select the first option for this question. We have to write the question on the question field. We can use a custom field and the username on the question. Let's write the question. We will use the name of the user in this question. We will ask the user's full name in this question. Select the reply type as text. We can save answer data in a custom field or in a system field. In the system field, there are email, phone, birthday, etc. We will save this answer data to a custom field. To create a new custom field, just click on the Add New button. Put a name for the custom field. Select the type of the custom field. Save it. Now, select the custom field from the drop-down list. We can also assign a label to the user. If you haven't created any label yet, just type the name of the label and hit the Enter button. Also, there is an option to assign a sequence message. We are not using that option in this instance. Finally, click on the OK button. To add more questions, just drag the connector from the next socket and leave the cursor. Here, we will collect the user's email address. In this question, we will call the user with his full name. As we already have his full name on a custom field, we will just use the custom field here. Let's save this data to the system field. Let's add another question. This time, we will use multiple choice questions. Type the question. Now, add options to the answer. To add more options, just click on the Add More button. Select the reply type. Select the custom field to save data. To complete the user input flow, we have to add a final reply. Just drag a connector from the final reply and leave the cursor. Give a name to new postback. Add a reply to the postback. That's all. Now, let's check the user input flow. Now that we have collected data using user input flow, we can export the data to a CSV file. To do that, from the Bot Manager, go to the User Input Flow. We can also see the reports. Click on the Export Flow Data to export data. We can also see the User Input Flow Data from the Subscriber Manager. Go to the Subscriber Manager. Click on the actions of the subscriber. Then select the input flow. This is how we can use the user input flow and custom fields on the WhatsApp chatbot. That's all for today. Thank you for watching the video.